Hello, welcome. Chapter number 2, Whole Numbers, Exercise 2.2. Question number 1, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. We are given 837 plus 208 plus 363. Now, here we group the numbers for convenience of adding. For that, we will use associativity of addition for whole numbers. Now, let's make a group of 837 and 363. Now, the sum of 837 and 363 is 1200. The sum of 1200 plus 208 is 1408. We are given B 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Now we make a group of the numbers. For that, we will apply associativity of addition for whole numbers. Now we will make a group of 1962 with 1538 and 453 with 647. The sum of 1962 and 1538 is 3500, and the sum of 453 plus 647 is 1100. Now the sum of 3500 and 1100 is 4600, and this is the complete solution of question number 1. Question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. We are given that 2 into 1768 into 50. Now, for our convenience of multiplication, we will group the numbers. So, we will apply associativity of multiplication for whole numbers. Let's make a group of 2 into 50. The product of 2 and 50 is 100. So, let's multiply 1768 with 100. So, the answer is 1,76,800. B. 4 into 166 into 25. Now let's make a group for our convenience. Now let's use associativity of multiplication for whole numbers. Let's make a group of 4 and 25. Therefore, the product of 4 with 25 gives the result 100. Now, let's multiply 166 with 100. The product of 166 with 100 gives the result 16,600. C. 8 into 291 into 125. Now let's make a group of 8 and 125 for our convenience. This property is known as associativity of multiplication for whole numbers. The product of 125 with 8 gives the result 1000. The product of 291 with 1000 gives the result 2,91,000. D. 625 into 279 into 16. Now let's make a group for our convenience. So here we are making the group of 625 with 16. This property is associativity of multiplication for whole numbers. The product of 625 with 16 gives the result 10,000. Now let's multiply 279 with 10,000. The product of 279 with 10,000 gives the result 27,90,000. Now E. 285 into 5 into 60. So let's make a group of 5 into 60. This property is known as associativity of multiplication for whole numbers. The product of 5 with 60 gives the result 300. Now let's multiply 285 with 300. Therefore, the product of 285 with 300 gives the result 85,500. F. 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Now, for our convenience of multiplication, let's try to make a group. Let's make a group of 125 into 40 and another group is 8 into 25. The product of 125 with 40 gives the result 5000 and the product of 8 with 25 gives the result 200. This property is known as associativity of multiplication for whole numbers. Therefore, the product of 5000 with 200 gives the result 1 lakh. Now, question number 3. Find the value of the following. A. 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Now, here we will apply distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now, let's take out 297 common from both of the terms. Now, the sum of 17 plus 3, that is equal to 20. Now, the product of 297 with 20 is 5940. B. 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Now, let's apply distributivity of multiplication over addition. Let's take out 54,279 common. So, in the bracket, we will have 92 plus 8. So, 92 plus 8 gives the result 100. Now, let's multiply 54,279 with 100. So, its product will be 54,27,900. C. 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. Now, let's apply distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Now, let's take out 81,265. So, in the bracket, we will have 169 minus 69. So the subtraction from 169 minus 69 is 100. Now let's multiply 81,265 with 100. So their product gives the result 81,26,500. Now D is here. 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Now you know very well we can write 25 as the product of 5 into 5. The product of 769 with 5 gives the result 3,845. Now let's take out 3,845 and 5 as common. So we will have the sum of 782 with 218, that is 1000. The product of 1000 into 5 gives the result 5000. So the multiplication of 3,854 with 5,000 gives the result 1,92,25,000. Question number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. A. 738 into 103. Now let's apply distributivity property. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Now let's multiply 738 with 100 plus 738 with 3. So the product of 738 with 100 is 73,800, and product of 738 with 3 gives the result 2,214. So the sum of 73,800 and 2,214 is 76,014. B. 854 into 102. Let's apply distributive property. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Let's multiply 854 with 100 and 854 with 2. The product of 854 with 100 is 85,400 and 854 multiplied by 2 gives the result 1708. Now the sum of 85,400 and 1708 is 87,108. Now see 258 multiplied by 1008. Let's apply distributive property. 1008 can be written as 1000 plus 8. Now let's have the product of 258 and 1000. Also, we will have the product of 258 with 8. The product of 258 with 1000 gives the result 2,58,000 and 258 multiplied by 8 gives the result 2064. Let's add 2,58,000 and 2064. So the result is 2,60,064. D 1005, that is 1005 multiplied by 168. Let's apply distributive property. 1005 can be written as 1000 plus 5. Let's multiply 1000 with 168 first and then multiply 5 with 168. Let's add them. We get the result 1,68,000 and 840. The sum of 1,68,000 and 840 is 1,68,840. So, the complete solution of question 4 is over here. Question number 5. A car driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 40, 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Now let's see the solution of the given question. We are given petrol quantity filled on Monday, that is 40 liters. Petrol quantity filled on Tuesday, that is 50 liters. So total petrol quantity filled equal to 40 plus 50 liters. Now cost of petrol per liter, that is equal to rupees 44. Total money spent, that is equal to 44 into bracket 40 plus 50, that is equal to 44 into 90. So the product of both of this is rupees 3960. Question number 6. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk cost rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Now let's see the solution. Milk quantity supplied in the morning equal to 32 liters. Milk quantity supplied in the evening, that is 68 liters. Now cost of milk per liter rupees 45. These things we are given in the question. So total cost of milk per day equal to 45 into 32 plus 68, that is equal to 45 into 100. So answer is rupees 4500. Hence the money is due to the vendor per day is rupees 4500. Question number 7. Match the following. Let's see which property is used in the given question. First, 425 into 136 equal to 425 into bracket 6 plus 30 plus 100. This property is distributivity of multiplication over addition. So, answer C is the correct answer. Second, 2 into 49 into 50 equal to 2 into 50 into 49. This property is commutativity under multiplication. Hence, A is the correct answer. Now, third is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. This is commutativity under addition. So, B is the correct answer.